Hello friends, today I am going to show you the Spigen Glass TR Platinum 2.0 tempered glass installation for Galaxy S21 Plus. So if you have been to my channel, you have seen this kind of installation of videos a lot of times. So why wait my friends, let's start and do this. So the product comes sealed as you can see here, and it costs around 3,899. It is mentioned here, but it comes around 2,199 rupees. Inside the box we get a screen protector, a base platform tray, upper tray with bubble label, and speaker sticker, UV glue bridge, glide pin, UV glue, alcohol cleaner, and dust removal sticker. We also get USB cable and UV lamp, which needs 5 volt of power, that is 5 watt, to connect this and for the curing process. So why wait my friends, let's open this up. So we will open this side with the same type of products inside. So here we get the UV lamp itself. This is the UV lamp having a micro USB cable and the switch to switch it on. But the recent one, if you have seen my last video about the S23 Ultra, now they are sending with USB-C port. Earlier one was micro USB. We'll keep this and we'll use this one for the curing process. And we get one weight. This is a weight, and the usual bridge and everything. We get the glue here, the top plate and bottom plate with the tempered glass inside here. You can see here, this is the tempered glass here. Okay. So I will keep everything aside and clean the desk and start the process. So I have cleaned my hands, and again in front of you I'll do it using a sanitizer. So just take few drops and clean your hand properly, because if your hands are dirty then it will attract dust particles inside here. So you can see here there is a cutout here, this portion which is used to put the camera inside here. So we will remove this out of the Spigen's krill case. As you can see, this is the krill case. So do remember that to turn off this, and now put it very carefully. Okay, it's done. As you can see, it already comes pre-installed. Okay, it's turning on the phone. Already comes pre-installed with the extra adhesive pads, suction pads. So it is done. As you can see, it is fixed perfectly. Now first of all, what we will do, we will clean this using the alcohol wipe that is provided here. I will remove this is the bridge. Yes, this is an issue, but don't bother about it. We don't have an issue for that. So these are the cleaning cloths and alcohol wipes, and the sticker for your speaker grill. And lastly, this is the slider. Okay, so step by step we'll do everything. Okay, we will use this. This is alcohol, as you can see. It is okay, spreading very nicely. So just put it inside here again so that you can use it again to remove the extra adhesive that comes after we put the glue on top of here. We will use one of the cleaning cloth to slowly remove. Yes, I have turned on my PC to get the power for the UV lamp. If you see any scratches on here, then it is because I was using this phone without any tempered glass for a few months and so. So the next step would be we will be putting the masking speakers here, and I'll check for any dust particles. No, there is no dust particles here. We will install this as we did in the S23. First this side, then we will just push it this side. Okay, now we will give it a good wipe again. For a perfect installation, as always I say, do keep in mind to clean the desk very properly and keep your devices and hands and tables cleaned before going through with the process. Okay, so we will use the dust removal sticker now once before putting the top plate. It's better to hold it in this way. As I can see, it is already cleaned. We don't need the rust particles to remove from here, and the sticker is very hard, and I am seeing that. Now the display is totally clean here. Now what we will do, we will put the top plate here very carefully. We will check for any dust particles on top of the display. No, nothing such. And we'll check this is aligned or not. Yes, it is aligned perfectly. Yes, this is the location for the perfect installation. Yes, now we will remove this. We will put the bridge here. You open the glue cap, put it on top of here. Leave it for a few minutes. Now slowly recap it very carefully, because this will what will do, whatever leftover glue are there, that will drop on there itself. Now we will remove it. Yes, we have done. We have some more glue. We can put it manually also. If you want, you can do that, but it's risky. Do be very careful about it. Okay, we don't have any glue left. We have some drops, but it's fine, it's not needed. You will, if you do that, you will put air bubbles there. So you can see this is the glue there. You will put this one here now very carefully. Now we will remove this one, the tempered glass screen protector, out of the package, and you can see this, we will remove it facing downwards. Okay, very carefully. Now align the tempered glass on top of here. Okay, do remember to remove it slowly. As soon as it touches the glass, as you can see here, I have dropped the adhesive is moving slowly towards the sides. See friends, I wasted the adhesive totally because I got one airdrop and it was not removed perfectly, so this happened. In this case, what you need to do, you have to remove the glass and clean it and reinstall it using another adhesive if you have that. I have another adhesive, so I will use that. So as you can see here, this is the second time after I cleaned it, and now I'm trying it again. You can do it if you haven't used the UV lamp. It is easy to do at that point, but once you have installed or turned on the UV lamp and started curing, you cannot rectify or do any kind of changes, you know. So it's better to do it while it is still haven't used the UV lamp. So now what we will do, we will turn on, we will ready the UV lamp here, and we will take the tempered glass out. As you can see, I have cleaned it totally without any dust particles, and now we will use it to put it on top of the phone. Be very gentle and careful about it, because I don't have any more adhesive to rectify this time. So now what we will do, we will not repeat the mistake that we had done earlier. We will slowly put this in such a way that the adhesive will be equally distributed on all the sides. So I have put the adhesive perfectly in the middle. So we will put a little bit of dip here, and we will go. So now you can see that adhesive is moving out perfectly without any issues, and this time I hope we will be getting the perfect installation. I don't know why this is not adhering this side. It's very slow, but it said that it will take around 3 minutes, so let's wait. So it is almost past 2 minutes, and you can see that we are close to this part, and already the adhesive has come up this part. So I'll give 1 minute more. So as you can see here, now we have put the center weight here, and we have started curing. So it is already started for around 30 seconds and it will turn off in 1 minute. Then I will remove this and put it again. Do remember, when you put the UV lamp here and start the curing, at that time you remove it. So let me show you. Like we will start the curing here in this way. After a few seconds we will remove this center weight. So now 1 minute top and 1 minute bottom is done. Now what we will do is we will remove the phone out of here. Okay, we will remove it. Now here, as you can see here, there are a lot of adhesive out from here. So what we will do, we will use this alcohol wipe to wipe off the extra glue. As you can see, just remove the excess glue. Just remember to just remove it in this sequential manner. Don't push it in. It will be very hard to remove it later. So just use the alcohol wipe to wipe it like this from top of the surface, like that. Okay. So I will skip this part. Now we have removed the excessive alcohol using the alcohol wipe and the excessive glue outside from the phone. Now we will go through 1 minute on top, bottom, middle for 2 times. That is 3 minutes, another 3 minutes. So that's 6 minutes. Okay. So let me skip this part, or you can watch for a few seconds. So as you can see here, we are in the second part, that is the middle part now, and we will again continue it on the top part, then again bottom, middle and top. Okay, so in this way we will be going on curing for 6 minutes. As it is mentioned here also, you can see that use the UV lamp again over the top, middle and bottom for 1 minute each section. Do not use the weight calibration now, and repeat the steps like hardening. Okay, so we are now in the second phase of the curing, the last process. This is the last time hardening the glass, that is 1 minute and 1 minute. After this we will be done. So as you can see, we are in the middle part of the curing now, and the last part will be the bottom one. So as you can see, we are in the last part of the curing process, that is the third bottom part, and it is the 6th minute we are going on. After this it will be done. So as you can see here, the total curing has been completed now, and now we will boot the phone and check it out. Before that, I will give it a quick clean on the displays because a lot of extra adhesives were on the sides and on the top of the phone. Okay, so I'll give a good clean up and then boot it up. Yes, it is turning on. And about the fingerprint sensor, I will put a shorts video, YouTube shorts, and I put the link in this description where you can check it out whether the fingerprint sensor is working or not. Okay, it's a perfect finish, you can see. Yes, it's working fine. So that's all, my friends. Thank you for watching. This was the video for the Spigen Glass Tier Platinum 2.0 installation for Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus. If you have any doubts about this product, feel free to ask in the comment section below. Do subscribe my channel and stay safe, my friends. Bye bye.